Cases of COVID-19 in Jamaica now at 30. Guys, please remember to subscribe to the Sauna Room and turn on your post notification bell so you can get an update each time I upload. Now let's jump into the story. 4 more COVID-19 cases confirmed in Jamaica, now pushing the tally to 30. Health Minister Dr Tufton made the announcement at a press conference at Jamaica House a short while ago. That's March 27. In the meanwhile, the Bull Bay St. Andrew quarantine will end at midnight. That's midnight on the 27th of March. However, Prime Minister Andrew Holness says 8 people will remain under quarantine. In Confrimed, Clarendon, where a quarantine remains in place, 2 people are being closely monitored. Now, guys, the last press conference that the government had, the number was at 26. He also alluded to say that please prepare for a rapid community spread. Now, I don't think, in my opinion, we have experienced that yet, and I don't wish for us to experience it. So guys, I want you to be prepared. Sanitize and please keep your social distance. If you don't have to leave your house, you can leave your house but in your yard. Don't go far out where you have to mingle with other people. If you haven't bought your groceries yet, now is a great time to get your groceries. Try get at least 2 to 3 months of groceries. So you don't have to go a grocery store, open no door, mingle with nobody at all. Because this is getting serious. Now the IMF is saying that the world is going into a recession. So the little money wanna have to save it and think about how you can push forward on another day where you can maybe start a business or do something constructive. Guys, keep safe. Please remember to subscribe to the Sauna Room because we're here to keep you updated with everything Jamaica and Jamaicans.